So here's a quick rundown on most of the basic operations involving fraction. First, converting a mixed number to a fraction. A mixed number being an integer plus a fraction. So 5 1/4, we want to write it as one improper fraction. So what we do is we take 5 times 4 and we add 1. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21, and we take that over 4. So that's an improper fraction, meaning it's a top-heavy fraction, meaning the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So the usual fraction notation is the top is the numerator and the bottom is the denominator. So we've just converted a mixed number to an improper fraction. Another operation you may run into is converting an improper fraction back to a mixed number. So what we do is we see how many times 3 goes into 10, and it goes into it 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9, and there's a remainder of 1. So we take that remainder and we put it over 3. And that's converting a improper fraction to a mixed number. Next, we're going to multiply two fractions. So to multiply them, we multiply the numerators. 2 times 5 gives us 10. We multiply the denominators. 3 times 6 gives us 18. And then you notice that 2 goes into both 10 and 18. So this is called reducing the fraction to lowest term. So we can write 10 as 5 times 2, and 18 is 9 times 2. And the 2's can cancel. So we end up with 5 over 9. So next, dividing two fractions. What we simply do is we keep the first one and we flip the second one and multiply. So this becomes 2/5 times 4 over 3. And now we multiply just as we did before. 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 3 is 15. And that's our answer there. To add or subtract two fractions, if the denominators are the same, we need only add the numerators. So 2 plus 3 is 5 over 7. If the denominators are different, we can't just add the numerators. So this is a method that will work for two fractions if the numbers are low. It's called the bow tie method. So I take 7 times 3 and I add 4 times 2. So 7 times 3 plus 4 times 2. And I divide that by 4 times 7. And I end up with 21 plus 8 divided by 28. That gives me 29 over 28. That's an improper fraction. I can write it as a mixed number by saying 28 goes 1 into 29 with a remainder of 1. And that's my quick summary of some basic fraction operations, and thanks for watching.